Good morning, sir. My name is Mark Brian Huyo-a. I'm ready to perform mixing of milk formula. Mixing of milk formula is the basic caregiving skills to ensure the proper mixing and measurement of milk as prescribed. Wash your hand and prepare the equipments needed in mixing the milk formula. Boil drinking water for 5 minutes and allow to cool. Consult feeding table for the prescribed exact amount of lukewarm water into the feeding bottle. For 12 months onward, previously boiled water 200 ml, the number of measurement scope 7. Only use scope for milk container. Consult feeding table again. Add exact amount of level scope for age of baby as prescribed. Cup bottle and shake well palm to palm until powder is fully dissolved. Shake well palm to palm until the powder is fully dissolved. Cool the feeding bottle with milk formula in preparation for infant feeding. Procedure for infant feeding. Infant feeding is an essential caregiving procedure to ensure that the infant receives sufficient nutritional requirement based on prescribed milk formula. Wash your hands and prepare the feeding bottle with infant formula. Carry the baby using upright position. Stimulate rooting reflex or infant sucking reflex. Check the temperature of milk formula by pouring a drop in your forearm. Check the hole of the nipple. If it is too big, it can cause aspiration. If it is too small, it cannot satisfy the baby. Start feeding. Make sure the whole nipple is sucked by the baby. Make sure the nipple is always filled with milk, not air, because it causes colic when swallowed by the baby. Burp the baby twice for 3 to 5 minutes, halfway and after feeding. Burping is a procedure done to prevent abdominal colic and aspiration. There are 2 ways in burping the baby. By leaning in your shoulder, massage the back of the infant and observe the swallowed air comes out during burping. In baby facing front while sitting, apply little pressure in abdomen of the baby. Continue feeding until the milk is consumed. After feeding, put the baby at the crib comfortably. Return the feeding bottles used to its proper place clean and dry. Now the procedure of mixing of milk formula and infant feeding and burping has been done.